Really?
Oh, no.
Oh, mon Dieu. Okay,
C'est le centre de la Terre.
this is the main shop. So, much more fresh air here, much more cooler. Because of this hole, we absorb fresh air. Fresh air is heavier, it's coming all the time, it's coming down. And then we inhale, it's getting warmer. Warmer air is much cooler. Imagine there were candles as well. If the warmer air is lighter, it's going all the way up through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different tunnels here, and another one over here leading down. So this section, this part where the fresh air was distributed to the other section, this is part of the city. So if you block this hole over here, upstairs and surrounding, you will have less fresh air. Still there will be oxygen, but much more less than this. With this tunnel, through this tunnel, we'll go to the bottom, the deepest part of the shaft, deepest part of the city. Same tunnel to come back up, 110 steps leading down, and the same to come back up.
Do we need to count them?
No.
We need to go down, we need to come back up.
Yes, okay.
Okay? If we see some people coming up, okay, the tunnel is just very narrow, okay? So we need to push them. Yeah, we don't have to come back up, okay? Okay, follow me please. On your right side you will see 2 more doors. I'll show it, and then we'll reach to the bottom.